how to change country on Wizz app. So Wizz automatically detects your country based on your device location, your IP address and network, and sometimes your SIM region. So other than that, there is no in-app change country button. There may be the location thingy, but uh, it's still gonna be in the same country anyway. So you cannot manually change your country inside Wizz. So Wizz locks country automatically since it match users locally, enforce age and safety rules, and prevent fake locations and spam, and to of course comply with regional regulations. Because of this, the country field is not editable or can be edited, I mean. So the first method is to, of course, be in another country. Obviously, this isn't usually allowed, not not allowed, but not possible for many. But technically, one of the only ways you could change country. If you travel to another country, obviously, Wizz usually updates your location automatically, which could take a few hours to a day. Uh, you have to restart the app after arrival though, and this is the only and fully legitimate way to change your country. You could also try adjusting your distant filters if your goal is to chat with people from another country, and another is to make a new account. This is limited and risky since some users try deleting their account and reinstalling the app, signing up again while in another country. There is risk to this, like Wiz still detecting that you're what your real country is, and it could account your flags if abused. So possible shadow limiting as well. If you were thinking about VPNs as well, like any kind of VPN that you have, often this does not work. It could trigger location mismatch and reduce visibility, and of course lead to shadow ban or account restriction. So Wiz is good at detecting VPN usage, so it's better to just not try the VPN option. But anyways, that's pretty much the only information we can give you about changing countries in the Wiz app. So hopefully it could still help you in a way. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.